Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks Part 2, trying to help somebody engrave basically put items into a photo. First of all, your digitizing, I don't think is going to be very good. But you see that I'm looking at it under wireframe, and you get this bounding box. And when we do that, even when we go to advanced, it puts a white box around that duck. So I've already done this exact same thing to this photo, and you can see the bounding boxes around this when we go to view and wireframe. So we'll go back to enhance, and we're going to make a duplicate of this, Control D or hit the plus key on your keyboard. Take this one and trace bitmap, outline trace clip art. It's so small, it's going to do it really fast. It's already done it. Say okay. There's really nothing there. So what we're going to do is we're going to select it. You see that the weld tool has not come up, but if we go to object, group, and ungroup it, as soon as we do that, the boundary tool comes up, put a boundary around it. I'm going to nudge it up. I'm going to make it a hairline. And then I'm going to put it back on top of our original picture. Make sure you select both of them and go to intersect. There's my new duck. You can see the bounding box? My duck doesn't have a bounding box. If we look at it on a wireframe, side by side, they're the same picture, same fuzziness. View, wireframe, there's the difference. I think that is your problem. Well, I know that's a problem. I don't know if it's totally all the problem. That's what she's trying to do. She's trying to add ducks into a photo. And I think it'll be pretty cool once it comes out. But I would digitize all three items differently or separately, and then add them on top of the picture. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.